Hello, this is Nadine from Access Fixtures. Today we will discuss the best LED wall packs for 2025 and why each is the top choice for its application. If you like this video, please press the like button. It helps us out. To learn more about commercial, industrial, and sports lighting, subscribe to our channel. Now let's get into what you need to know. Access Fixtures LED wall packs combine durability, energy efficiency, and advanced features to meet the demands of any outdoor application. With options ranging from forward throw to full cutoff, up-down lighting, and even solar-powered designs, these fixtures provide tailored solutions for every need. Let's explore why each fixture stands out as the best in its category. The Apto Extreme Life Full Cutoff LED Wall Pack is the best choice for durability, compliance, and specification-grade customization. With extreme life performance, it delivers reliable operation in tough conditions. Featuring an L70 rated life of 200,000 hours, IK08 impact resistance, and IP66 certification. It's built to order, offering options for housing color. Kelvin, 3000, 4000, or 5000. Optics CRI, and advanced controls like photocells or sensors to match your exact needs. Finally, it's dark sky compliant. With a full cutoff design that reduces light pollution when paired with 2200 or 3000 Kelvin LEDs. The WALP Mini Wall Pack is the best choice for small spaces and entryways, offering compact design, efficiency, and reliability. It is field configurable, allowing you to adjust wattage, 8, 12, 15 watts or 15, 20, 30 watts, and color temperature, 3000, 4000, or 5000 Kelvin, using internal dials and dip switches for tailored lighting. With a built-in photocell, it provides convenient dusk-to-dawn operation for energy efficiency, with the flexibility to disable it for continuous lighting needs. Its rugged design features IP65 rated weatherproof housing, UV protection, and impact-resistant lenses, ensuring long-lasting performance in outdoor environments. The Zico LED Wall Pack is the best choice for forward throw lighting, combining versatility, performance, and efficiency. It offers selectable Kelvin, allowing you to easily adjust the lighting tone to 3000, 4000, or 5000 Kelvin with a simple switch. With selectable wattage, you can achieve the desired level of illumination and further enhance control using the 010V dimmable driver. Finally, it features a built-in photocell for dusk-to-dawn operation, ensuring safe, efficient, and broad light distribution for pathways, building perimeters, and other outdoor spaces. The Kato LED Wall Pack is the best full cutoff solution, delivering precision, efficiency, and compliance. It features selectable Kelvin, so you can adjust the light to 3000, 4000, or 5000 Kelvin on-site for the perfect lighting tone. Its selectable wattage allows you to choose between 3 wattage configurations, ranging from 20 to 110 watts for seamless adjustments, paired with a 0 to 10 volt dimmable driver for enhanced control. As a dark sky compliant fixture, the Koto reduces light pollution while ensuring effective illumination, making it ideal for industrial and commercial applications. The Hamo LED Wall Pack is the best up-down lighting solution, combining style and durability. It's built to last, featuring die-cast aluminum housing, IK10 impact-rated safety glass, and IP66 waterproofing for long-term reliability. Its versatile performance offers 3 light modes, up only, down only, or up down with selectable Kelvin, 3000, 4000, or 5000 Kelvin, and adjustable wattage settings. With Extreme Life rated L70 at 130,000 hours, the Hamo ensures dependable, maintenance-free lighting for indoor and outdoor installations. The Cuddle LED Wall Pack is the best choice for large commercial and industrial applications, offering durability and precision. Its full cutoff design minimizes light pollution and ensures compliance with local lighting ordinances. With Extreme Life rated L70 at 646,000 hours, the Cuddle is built to perform reliably in harsh environments and hard-to-reach installations. Finally, its Type 4 optics provide wide-angle illumination across large areas, ensuring uniform light distribution with fewer fixtures. The Woolly LED Wall Pack is the best solar-powered solution for sustainable off-grid lighting. Its versatile illumination features a low-profile design with a rotatable mount for precise lighting in applications like egress, security, and wall washing. Powered by sustainable energy, it uses a high-efficiency monocrystalline solar panel and long-life lithium-ion battery for consistent nighttime operation with just 4 hours of daily charging. With durable construction, including an aluminum alloy body and IP66 water resistance, the Woolly delivers reliable, long-lasting illumination in any environment. Access Fixtures LED wall pack light fixtures provide advanced, energy-efficient solutions for a variety of outdoor applications. From specification-grade customization to sustainable solar power, each fixture is designed to meet unique project needs while delivering exceptional performance and durability. Whether you're lighting entryways, perimeters, facades, or large commercial spaces, these wall packs offer reliable and versatile illumination. Visit our website to learn more about these top-performing fixtures, or call 1-800-468-9925 to speak with a lighting specialist today.